So now that we have our basic slideshow, let's put some tinsel, some little extra stuff into it. And what I want you to do is I want you to make a circle and an arrow somewhere. Doesn't have to be your first slide, can be any slide you want, just so I know that you know how to do it. And this is how you do it. You go to Insert, and then you go to Shape, all the way down here at the bottom, and then make sure you have Shape over here. And then the first one we're going to do is Circle. You click on the circle, and you move it out to there. Then, if you click on it again, this little yellow diamond will make the circle thinner. There. Now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to make that circle a different color. And so the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to Format, which is right here next to Home, and I'm going to click on Line and Color. And now I have the outline as red. And now, in order to do more work with it, I'm going to select it so they have the handles. Now I'm going to find the fill, and I'm going to click that. And now I have a red circle. But I want to circle just the word Parks. So in order to do that, I'm going to move this circle down a little bit, and now I'm going to expand it. And now I'm going to move it down. It's almost there. I'm going to make it a little wider and maybe a little longer. And with my arrow keys, I'm going to nudge it over a little bit. And there is a circle. It may be helpful when you're doing a PowerPoint because you want to show people, point out something. Now we're going to have an arrow. It's done almost the same way. You've got arrows like this and arrows like this. I'd like you to use a simple one. Let's just use this and move it over. And then, again, you're going to have to make it a different shape and color, but let's first do the color. Again, we're in Format. We go to Fill. I'm going to make this one, let's make this one blue. And I won't have to put a line at the edge, but if I want to, I can put a different color line. And there it is. But now I want to point to Hour. So I click on it again. I make it a little longer, and I make it a little narrower by clicking on this handle. And then I want to move it. Well, this green circle, when I go over it, there's a circular arrow, which if I move that along, I can point directly to that word. You know what? I just don't like it blue. Let me make it red, because I do like red. There it is. Circles and arrows. Somewhere on your slideshow, I want to see that you have at least one circle and at least one arrow. It can be pointing to anything. I don't care what it points to. Good luck.